Alright, so I wanted to show you how to get to RAZ Kids. So you go to www.kidsa-z.com. And it's going to ask for your teacher's username. In our class, it is just my name with no spaces. So it's Kelsey Bourne, no spaces. And that will pull up our class. And I put your child's password in their login info, which I have shared with them on Seesaw, and then I've shared with you via email. So I'm just going to choose a random kid. Put in the password. For the student. And then it's going to pull up their RAZ Kids account, so they will see that like this student has done 0 out of 45. That's fine because I literally just sent his login. But what's cool for me as a teacher is I can see how many books they've listened to versus read. So I know they listen to it because when they open the book, they'll hit the speaker or the headphones, and that's telling me that when they're reading, they're listening to the story, and that's fine. It's really important to listen to a good reader. So it lets me see that, but it also lets me see when they're reading on their own. There are quizzes for all the books, and then there's interactivities, which are things I can assign. I can also send them messages through here, but you can see the students' reading level starting at a U, and their goal is to get to a V. And these are all passages and books they can read to help increase their level. So once the student has completed 45 tasks, they will move up a reading level with RAZ Kids. And this is really research-based, so I trust what they're doing on here, and I love that I can see their progress and assign them activities based on standards. So that's how you navigate.